So today, please mute your mics, everyone. Mute your mics, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
So today we are going to start with the chapter number 4, and this is the second chapter of your syllabus, Tables in MS Word. So I think you all have used the MS Word in the previous class. What is the MS Word? MS Word is basically a software which is used to create the documents, or which is used for the typing or creating the letters. And today we are going to learn that how we can add a table in MS Word. So now what is a table? In 4th standard also I think you have inserted the table in MS Word. So table is basically the combination of rows and columns. Table में हमें बहुत सारी rows and columns मिलते हैं. और we can also say that when we present the data, जो भी हमारे पास data है, जो भी हमारे पास numbers हैं, either it's number or words, जब हम उनको एक particular एक table की form में present करते हैं, then it is called a table. I show you here. This is the table which is showing the name, class, age and the city. So here we have representing the data in form of rows and columns. Now we are going to learn what are the rows and what are the columns. As you can see here, name, under the name you can see the name of the various students. Under the class you can see the classes. Under the age you can see the lots of numbers. Under the city you can see the cities. So these are the columns. This full box is the one column, this is the second column, this is the third and this is the fourth column. Means when we arrange the cells in the vertical form, ये हमने जो cells है वो vertical form में arrange किए हैं. So these are the columns. Now what are the rows? This name, class, age, city. This is the first row. Rajiv 510 Gurgaon. This is the second row. तो ये जो horizontal way में अगर हम इसको count करेंगे, अगर हम इसको देखेंगे, so this is a row. Okay, and now this now let me show you in another way. Here we have table given in our book. Okay, here they have created a blank table. So in this table, we can see the different type of boxes. This one box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are so many boxes. So one box is called a cell. First cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell, 5 cell, 6 cell. There are so many cells. Okay, and we have, and when we arrange the cells vertically it makes one column. So this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth and sixth column. Here we have 6 columns. And when we arrange the cells horizontally, this is called the row. This is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row and the fifth row. Okay, so I think you are clear with what is a cell, what is a row and what is a column. Apart from that, you can see a handle here, this handle. So this handle is used to move the table. This is a table move handle. So if I click here, okay, so this would let me to move my table. I can change the position of my table. Okay, and so are you all, so just answer me that are you all clear with what is row, cell, column and the table move handle? Are you all clear with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, beta.
ma'am. Yes.
So now,
Ma'am.
okay, mute your mic. Mute your mics, beta. Okay, so now we are going to learn that how we can insert a table. Here it is written as a theory part, but now I will show you the practical part, that how we can insert a table in MS Word. Okay, we will also learn now that how we can select rows, columns and the cells. We also know, we will also learn how we can delete a table. Okay, then enter the data in the table we have. Afterwards, we are also going to learn inserting the rows and the columns, how we can add a row or column in the table. and so on. So this is the theoretical portion. Now I will show you practically that how we can use these features in MS Word. Okay. So can you see MS Word here on your screen?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
to insert a table in MS Word, first you have to open the MS Word, Microsoft Word.
Open the MS Word. Microsoft Word.
Okay. Mute your mic, please.
Mute your mic, please.
So now, to add a table in the Word document, what we will do, our first step is to go to the Insert tab. Insert tab contains all the
Ma'am.
options. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, I am only joined the team now.
Okay, beta. Okay. So, beta, I am recording this lecture, and after the class, I will send this lecture to your group. Okay. So if you
Okay,
right
ma'am.
now we have only done the theoretical part, like what is a table, what is a column, what is a row, and what is a cell. So now we are going to
Okay, ma'am.
do it practically, that how we can insert it in MS Word. So to insert a table, first of all, let me clear to you, insert means add. If you want to insert a table, that means you are going to add a table. So to add a table, we will go
Okay,
to the
ma'am.
insert tab. Mute your mic, please. We will go to the insert tab, and here you can see different options. We have table option, we have picture option, we have shape option, smart art, lots of options are there. So if you want to add any of the option, you just have to click there. So to insert or to add a table, we will just simply click on the table. Here you can see lots of boxes. So as I move my cursor on the boxes, my table will be drawn on the sheet. So if I move my cursor on the four columns or the four cells, then my table is drawn here. If I move it on on the other cells, then it will draw the table accordingly. Okay, this is the first way we can add a table. Now the second way to add a table in MS Word is to click here, insert table option. We will click on the insert table option. Now MS Word will ask us that how many number of columns and how many number of rows you want to insert. So here I will insert 4 columns and 3 rows. I will press the OK button, and in this way I can create my table. Okay, as you can see, when I insert my table, these new tabs appear on the top, design tab and the layout tab. Design tab will let me to choose various designs of the table. As you can see, I can choose various designs of the table. I can also do the shading. I can also set the border. This is the border. These black lines are the borders of the table. I can also change the color and the style of the border just by simply just clicking on the border. Afterwards, I have the layout tab also. Layout tab will allow me to insert the new row, new row above, new row below, new column right, new column left. Okay, split the cell. I will tell you what is the meaning of split cell, height and the width. Lots of options are there. So first of all, let me clear you. This is the table handle that we saw on in the image. So I just move my cursor on this table move handle, and I will just click on the mouse, and as you can see, I can move my table now. I can change its position, I can change its place, and left corner you can see the table handle. Right corner you will see this light box. When I move my cursor over the light box, then you can see my cursor's shape is changing here. So what I will do, I will just click here, and in this way I can just change the size of my table. Okay, so in this way I can just move my table, and I can just simply change its size. So now how we can enter a data in the table? By simply clicking in the cell. If you want to enter a data here, you will just simply click here. Okay, here I will write student name. I will click here. I can type anything: English, maths, science. Same way I can type the name of the students by simply clicking on the cell. I can simply fill the marks over here just by clicking on the cell. So in this way I can create my table. So I just now want to decrease the size. I feel that the size of this column is very large. So what I will do, I'll just simply click here, and when on the after this column I can see that my cursor is changing to this shape. So I can just increase and decrease the width of the table. You can also change this width. Click here, and here we have the height option. As you can see, here we have the width option. On the layout tab we have height and width. Click on the column, and from here you can change its height and width. Okay, now I just want to add new column of, here we have English, math, science. I want to add a new column of Punjabi also. So what I will do, I'll just want to add it here after the science. So I just click on the science, go to the layout tab, and here I have option insert left or insert right. I want to insert the column to left side. So you can see the arrow here. This means the arrow will insert a table to right side. So I will just click here. So my new column is added here. Okay, now I just want to add a new row in the last. If I want to add it in the last, I will just click here simply in the last column and choose the option below or above. If you want to insert a row between these two, means इस cursor के ऊपर अगर आपने row add करनी है तो you will choose the insert above option. अगर आपने इस cursor के नीचे row add करनी है, you will choose the insert row below. So in this way you can add column and add a new row to your table. So in the same way you can delete one table, or sorry, you can delete the whole table also, single column also, or single row also, single cell also. So what I will do, जो कुछ भी आपने इसमें से delete करना है, you just have to select. 2 columns delete करने हैं, sorry 2 cells delete करने हैं, 3 करने हैं, आप उनको select करिए. पूरा column delete करना है, पूरा column select करिए. तो यहाँ पे you will get the option of delete. If I press delete, now it is asking, do you want to delete the cells? Do you want to delete the column? What? So I have selected the cells, so I will click on the delete cell option. Okay. And see, my cell is deleted now. Now I want to delete this row. I will select this row, click on the delete option, and here my cell is deleted. Okay. So in this way I can delete them and I can add them also. So now in last I will tell you that if I want to divide this is the one cell only. I want to divide this cell into 2 cells. So what I will do, I will just simply click on the cell. All the options are present on the layout tab. Remember this. So layout tab, I can see split cell option. Split cell, I'll go to the split cell. Now it is asking me split cell in how either you want to split it column wise or row wise. I am going to split it column wise. In how many columns? 2 columns. See, as you can see now my cell is divided into 2 columns. Okay, and if I choose the split row option, column would be 1, row would be 2. Okay, so now my cell is divided into 2 rows. So in this way I can divide my cell into different number of rows and columns. I can also divide this cell into the 3 columns, 4 columns, 5. It's up to you in how many columns you want to divide it, or in how many rows you want to divide this. Okay, and the last, if you want to delete this whole table, so what you have to do is you will just click here, table move handle, go move your cursor here and right click. After right clicking, you will get the option of cut. You can simply choose the cut option and your table will be deleted. Okay, you can also choose the delete option and you can also choose the cut option. Your table is cut now. Okay, so in this way, yeah, see, right click, you will get the option of delete table also. So you can just click on delete table and your table will be deleted. So this is what is written in your book also. In your book also the same thing is written, that how we can add a table. So how we can add a table, how we can insert the rows, how we can insert the column, to delete them, to split them, each and everything. So let me tell you, let me tell you again quickly that how we can insert a table. Click on the insert tab, choose the table. If you want to draw the table, just dragging over the columns, you can create it like this only also. But another way is to go to insert table and choose the number of columns and number of rows and press the OK button. Okay, this handle will let you to change the position of your table on the page, and this option will let you to increase the size of the table. Okay, if you want to increase the width of the table, width of the column, just go to the layout option. Layout tab mein you will get all the options: delete option, insert row above, insert row below, insert column left, insert column right, splitting option, height and width. So click here, choose any option, either height, either width. Okay, you can also just select the first column and choose the insert column left, insert column right. You can also select the row and choose the insert row above option, insert row below option. Here, by selecting number of cells, you can delete them. If you either want to delete the table, full table, you want to delete the row, you want to delete the column. If you click on the delete table, your table will be deleted. If you will click on the delete row, your rows will be deleted. If you want to delete the column, your column will be deleted. Okay, so in this way you can make the table. The design tab, on the design tab you will get the lots of options to design your table. You can choose any design. So students, what you have to do is you just have to create a table at your home. On your computer, open the MS Word. You will just create a table